Hey there everyone, welcome back in React.js Todo App Material series. My name is Aziz Slim. In this tutorial we are going to discuss about Firebase and how to connect with our project, our Firebase Firestore, and we'll design our app bar or menu bar. So let's start from Firebase. First of all, you have to install Firebase tools using this command. I didn't install because I already installed in my system globally. This G stand for globally. Excuse me. After that, after I finish this installation, then next step, install React.js, install your Material UI and Material UI icons. After that, we have to install Firebase in our project using this command. Let's see where it is. npm I then Firebase. I stand for short of install. Before I used in previous video npm I then Firebase. It's a short form. That's it. After installation, the next step, we have to connect our Firebase with our project which we created here. For that, first of all, you have to go in your project settings, and you can find from here in the last Firebase SDK snippet. Go to config. You need this bunch of line of code, and first of all, go to your project, and now I'm removing the extra files from here. Header. So remove header and type here. This one. Todo app. Save. I'm going to delete logo.svg, setup test, app test.js. Just delete it. First of all, for connect our Firebase, I'm going to create a new file. File name is Firebase. You can keep any name. Firebase.js. And here I'm going to import Firebase. And this Firebase we installed already. npm I install Firebase, which is recently we discussed. And here I'm going to keep we will restore all the information. Say Firebase app Firebase dot initialize app, and here just copy this bunch of lines and paste. Store in a variable, the variable like db, then Firebase app dot firestore, and export. Export default db. That's it. You can see it's very easy and simple. We just import our Firebase and we store our Firebase API key and domain project, all the information, and we run we store or call our Firestore and store in a variable db, and we export this db, and now we can access this db on any file. In upcoming video tutorials we will access this db, and will retrieve our data, and we'll delete, update, do all the CRUD operation, and using this DB, because this DB we export from our Firebase from here. Okay, next step, if I go to my app, here you can see only Todo app, which right here, H1. And one more thing, let's remove this React app from our title and give here Todo app. For this one, just simply go to public folder inside index, and from title Todo app. If you go back, now our title is updated. We can also update our favicon, and for that one, just replace your favicon from here. Favicon. Sorry, here. And next step we need here Appbar. So just go to your Material UI and search here Appbar. I'm going to use this Appbar for this. First of all, I'm going to create a new component. The name is Appbar.js. Generate this function, component function, and this is RFCE. If I run again, you can see is React functional export. This is export component export is the information here, and this is generating because of ES7 extension I installed here. If I go, this one, not this, this one, ES7 React Redux GraphQL native React Native Snippets. Just install this, and it will give you a lot of functionality, and your code will be easy to write using this extension. Okay, like in our project here, I'm going to copy and paste this by command shift and alt F. It's giving us the indentation in our project. Let's save. Here, first of all, we have to import Appbar toolbar icon button menu icon, then this typography and button. Go back again in Material UI, click here to view the full source code, and I'm going to copy all this import section. Even I will copy this use style also. That's it. We need to use style or pass in our classes. For this one, just go back, copy, paste. Now I'm going to import this appbar.js in my app.js file. For this one, just import from current directory appbar, and here our module name is appbar. I'm going to replace h1 tag with our appbar. Now it's compiling, and if I go back to our app, now you can see here we have an appbar, but you see it's coming in middle. Why? Because in our app.css which we attached here. There is some predefined code. If we go back, there is app.css. I'm going to remove all this code and all margin 0 and padding as well 0. Go back to our browser. You can see here our Appbar is coming. Now next step, replace this news with Todo App. Save. You can see here we create our Todo App app bar here, or menu bar. So let's discuss what's happened here. First of all, in this tutorial, the overview I'm giving you, I create a Firebase.js where we set up our Firebase and we export our Firebase DB. Next step, I create appbar.js, a component where we copy this appbar code from Material UI and we place here in our appbar. And here is the import, is a make style import React from React which we installed, and all this imports is coming from Material UI. You can see from here Appbar toolbar, and we have a button, icon button, and menu icon. It's a default coming from Material UI. Use styles, where is the title, our root, and menu button, the properties, these things. I will create a separate tutorial series where we discuss all the bunch of information step by step. This is absolutely for that one will be absolutely for beginners. Means how to import, what is use styles, what is Material UI, all the information like that. And here this code I copy and place here, same as it available in Material UI here. Then we import this Appbar component here in app.js, and it's showing in our page. That's it. It's very easy and simple. You can create your project by using React.js and Material UI. A lot of designing and component is ready-made. You have to do a little bit modifications. And at the last, we remove all app.css code, and we put here margin 0 and padding 0 for all. So that's for this video tutorial. See you in next one.